Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Look at the screen. It says English grammar is easy. And today I will prove it. See this 4-box chart. If you learn only this one, 70% of your English speaking problem will be solved. So are you ready? Let's go. Box number 1 is am is are. We use these for the present time. Present time. Means things happening right now. Right now. So the rule is very simple. Look at the subject. I. We use am with I. For example, I am happy. Right? Always use am with I. Never is. And next we have you. With you, we, they, we use are. Right? These are plural subjects. For example, you are smart. You are smart. We are students. We are students. They are playing. Next we have he, she, it. These are singular subjects and he takes is, she is, it is. Look at some examples. He is tall. He is tall. She is my sister. It is a pen. Right? It's so easy. Now, box number 2. Has or have. We use this for possession. Means someone owns something. Means someone owns something. So here, I, you, we, they. These subjects take have. These subjects take have. And he, she, it takes has. Right? Look at the example. I have a car. I have a car. You have a pen. We have done our work. They have played. He has a brother. She has long hair. It has Done. Next, was or were. We use these for past time. For past time means something that happened before. Happened before. The logic is same, but the time changes. Here is present time. We use present time. We use is mr for present time, and here we use was were for past time. So with I, we use was. With you, we use were. With he, we use was. With she, we use was. With it, we use was. With we use were. With they, we use were. In past tense, I becomes was, and all the plural subjects use were, right? Next, do or does. We use do or does for two purposes: to make questions and number two, to make negative sentences. Rule: with I, you, we, they, we use do. With he, she, it, we use does. Right? For example, I do, you do, he does, she does, it does, we do, they do. Let's look at some example, like, do you like tea? Question mark. Isa. And next, I, negative sentence, I do not like coffee. Does she dance? Question mark. Negative sentence. He does not smoke. He does not smoke. Important rule: when you use does, remove s. Whenever you use does, remove s. For example, does he goes wrong? This sentence is wrong. The correct sentence is does he go, because does already add s. Alright, so I hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for such more videos. Thanks for watching.